What's going on, YouTube people? Behind me, as you can see, I got another car, which is a B6, another Nogaro, of course. And I'll walk you around and show you the cosmetics of it and all the flaws, and then we'll go inside and then I'll show you all the more flaws and then the future plans and stuff. So without further adu, let's get to it. Yep. Alright, so on the exterior we got the dented hood.
Yeah, cheese.
Yeah, cheese for you.
Yeah.
A little bit dented over here. And then of course, start going here. We've got rust forming the bottom of the door.
Boo-boo. Daddy, boo-boo car.
Boo-boo car?
Yeah. Boo-boo car.
Boo-boo car.
Oh, boo-boo car.
A little bit of a paint peel.
Daddy,
And then the rear quarter, that is just,
Daddy, go, puppy.
go puppy, just rusted so bad. Of course, cracked tail light. Oh. Cracked tail light. It's water already. Completely broken tail light. I think the little hook is broken. Let's see. Oh, look, cool, Flowmaster exhaust. Just kidding. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's just a little tip end. Otherwise, let's go to this side. This side's pretty clean for the most part. I didn't see any rust around here. Oh. This side looks pretty clean. This body line's straight. We get to the roof. Roof looks good, looks good, looks good. And then we got rust here. All over here. Into there. That one's pretty bad though. Whew. Otherwise, wheels are decent. Got a little bit of scratching. Pretty sure it's from him. It's alright. This whole car's probably need a complete respray when time comes. Let's go take a look at the interior. So interior is pretty basic. Black door. Ripping the seat. I'm gonna have to find someone to fix that. Automatic. That seat's not too bad. This is of course broken because people don't know how to play with these or check them out. Headliner is sagging, so I'll probably do the same thing I did with the last one and just either do it purple or just kind of fix this as well. Let's go back. So the back interior is actually really clean, which makes me happy. Back's clean. Door cards are clean. Overall, the car is just extremely dirty, but that's because it's been sitting in a boat storage lot for, I don't know, say like a year or so. But the car does have potential, let me tell you what. Let's go check out the engine bay. Is your typical V6. I'm holding the hood with my head because hood props. So what the guy told me, the rear main seal on this thing is bad, which if that's all, it'll be an easy fix and she'll be roadworthy again. But if it's anything worse, let's just say, I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do. But as you can see, it's been sitting for so long that rats got into some of the wiring, so we're gonna have to take a look at everything and see exactly what got chewed up and what did not. For the most part, I cleaned most of this up. It was just oil or whatever it was all over. You can see it. Say oil?
Oil.
Oh, you mean
Oil.
oil. There you go. But put most of this back. Yeah. Overall, it's another Nogaro to add to the growing Nogaro collection. It is my insanity slash poor bank account. Of course, B5 is still under the gun. B8 is hidden. And alright, so if it's only the rear main seal, we'll be good. And I'll fix it and we'll drive it. But if not, then we might just throw my 2.7 in there, and then throw my I don't know if you can be able to see it. Throw my transmission in there, which is the 01E. Can you see it? Probably not. Focus, get lighter. Yeah, we'll throw these two back together. I don't know, maybe do obviously the city cleaned up, looked at, and everything else. But the plan right now would be to swap it. Swap the 2.7 in there if the motor's bad. If not, I think I do have a spare 4.2 V8 motor sitting in storage that I can throw in there. That's the plan. The rear main seal is good on the 4.2. We'll replace the rear main seal. We'll put it back together. Make sure the chains are good on it. Make sure all the chain guides, everything on the 4.2 is good to go before we drive it out.
Hi, Daddy guy.
Hi, Daddy. If not, that 4.2 we'll put in there, and then we'll just put back in my stock 01E that came out of the B5, and then we'll drive it. I have a B5 clutch pedal and stuff that we can put in there. I don't know if it'll work with the B6 platform, but it's worth a shot. Also, right now, the way I'm looking at the B6 is it's kind of like a back burner car. I don't know exactly how much I'm going to make on it. Probably do small videos like the rust. Just take care of the rust before the rust puts holes in it. But for right now, I want to focus on finishing up. Yeah, your blue car. I want to focus on finishing up the B5 RS4 project and get this thing up and running. So for the B5 project, we do have the turbo diesel 01E trans and GT 2871Rs on both sides with Turbo Smart, and that's pretty much it. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on, but yeah. If you guys want me to do certain things onto the B8 or B6, I mean, let me know in the comments. If not, we'll see exactly what goes on with it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later, I guess, or I don't know. There's like 3 of you that watch anyway. So thank you 3 for watching, and take care. Peace.
Shut up and sit down.